Hello everyone, it's me Sean. This is part 1 of my Python course. Today we are going to learn about comments. So what are comments exactly? Comments are parts of your code that are ignored by Python. They can be used to make your code more readable and sometimes even help in debugging. That is, removing bugs from your code. Okay, let's start programming. I'm going to create a new file. Here's where we're going to write all our code. So I'm going to type print hello world just to see if the program's running. Now save the file. To run this file, you have to click Run and Run Module. As you can see, the program returns Hello World. Now I'm going to create a simple single line comment. To create a comment, type hash and your comment. So I've created a simple comment that says this is a comment. We can run this program. And as you can see, there are no errors in the program. It runs as normal. So this is a simple single line comment. You can also put comments after the line and it still won't disturb the program. So I'm going to write a simple comment and run the program. Save the file. As you can see, there are no errors. As I told you earlier, comments can also be used for debugging. For example, there's a faulty line in your code. You can comment it out so that Python will ignore that line and continue on. This really helps in debugging. As you can see, there are no outputs here. Now we're going to learn about multi-line comments. So I'm going to type print hello world here and I'm going to create a multi-line comment. In Python, there is no exact syntax for multi-line comments. So you can use multiple single line comments to make a multi-line comment. Okay, as you can see, the code runs as normal. But in Python, there's another way to make multi-line comments. We can use string literals. String literals are loose lines of strings that are in your code. Python ignores these and therefore they act as comments. To create a multi-line string, use 3 quotes to start and end, as seen here. Now you can run your code and there will be no errors. That's all about Python comments. See you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.